Okay, hi. Hello. So I'm gonna sing another song. So this song is, I think, this is one of the songs that I really, really like. When I listen to this song, when I first listened to this song, it really, like, I am really moved by it. Like, wow, this expression, wow, I really like this song. And it's a reminder that my season will come. The title of the song is Season. Here it goes. Till the memory is beautiful. Melt the eyes of this wild soul. Till the memory is beautiful. And I know, though the winter's long in nature, the harvest it brings. Though my waiting prolongs even greater, your promise for me like a seed. I believe that my season will come. I can see the promise, I can see the future. You're the God of seasons, and I'm just in the winter. If all I know of harvest is that it's worth my patience, then if you're not done working, God, I'm not done waiting. And I can see the promise, even in the winter, 'cause you're the God of greatness, even in the manger. For all I know of seasons is that you take your time. You could have saved me.